Hello students, welcome to Engineering Math Solution. In today's video, we are diving into differential formula, one of the fundamental concepts you will need to master. And the first formula is differentiation of x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. And this is called as power rule. Let's take one example for this. The example is x to the power 8. Here, n is equal to 8. Then according to power rule, it becomes 8x to the power 8 minus 1. Then we get 8x to the power 7. Then coming to the formula, differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. Differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is equal to secant square x. Differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. Differentiation of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. Differentiation of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Differentiation of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x squared. Differentiation of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x squared. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x squared. Differentiation of cot inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x squared. Differentiation of secant inverse of x is equal to 1 by x root over x squared minus 1. Differentiation of cos inverse of x is equal to minus 1 by x root over x squared minus 1. Differentiation of e power x is equal to e power x. Differentiation of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. And the brief explanation for this is root x can be written as x 1 by 2. And now according to power rule, it becomes 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. And then we get 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. And final answer is 1 by 2 root x, where x to the power minus 1 by 2 is 1 by root x. And coming to the formula, differentiation of x is equal to 1. Differentiation of k is equal to 0, where k is constant. And differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared. And the explanation for this is 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. And now applying power rule, it becomes minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1 becomes minus 2, where the final answer is minus 1 by x squared. Then coming to the formula, differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. And the differentiation of a power x is equal to a power x log a. And that's a wrap on differentiation formulas. I hope today's explanation helped you better understand these essential concepts. Remember, practice is the key when it comes to mastering differentiation. So make sure to apply these formula to different problems. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment. If you want this formula PDF for free, then I will put in the description box. You can drop it for free. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engineering videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.